time of the year again where the sun is beaming and the people of Portland came out to watch the Grand Floral Parade take over the city of Portland.
Very excited, very excited. Yeah. Can't wait to see the bands, everything.
The historic Grand Floral Parade is back for year 2 after the pandemic.
Hey, I started!
Attracting hundreds of people to Portland's East Side streets.
I'm just looking forward to seeing all the beautiful roses.
The marching bands. The floats and the flowers.
The candy.
Horses.
Others are just happy to take it all in with the sunny and dry weather.
It's the first time we've made it over, and we're just looking forward to, to having a good time seeing the parade on a beautiful morning.
The route kicked off at the Memorial Coliseum and ended at the Lloyd Center. It, of course, caused road closures, but families still managed to get themselves a front row seat to the show.
I'm really excited for him to see the parade. He's been talking about it all week.
The Anaya family says this was their first Rose City parade as a family after missing last week's Starlight Parade because of traffic. And like many, this is the unofficial start to summer.
This feels so great, and it's so good to see all the families and kids out here and everything. And my friends, I'm really excited about it.
If you missed the parade in person, we have a recorded live stream you can watch at kgw.com. Daisy Caballero, KGW News.